Dear student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a class for class nursery, and today's topic is an ice cream with color. I know you all like to eat this food, but this time you don't eat ice cream. Okay, now everyone ready your CW art copy and draw with me. First you draw with pencil, then you will draw and then you will color this picture, and I will brief after drawing how to color this picture. Okay, first you draw two straight line like this. Okay, then give a half circle and join two lines. Then it will use a straight line like this. Okay, then again draw two line but not give so much distance. Then use again a half circle. Okay, this is an ice cream. Then I design here for color. One step like this curved line, two a step like this curved line, and three step. If you want, you can use here 7 step also. Okay, I use here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step. Okay, this is the ice cream you first draw. Then you will color this very carefully. You first color the big space by pink color, but you never leave there any kinds of white space. Okay, then I use here the purple color. Then I use here light blue color. Then I use here light green color. Then use light yellow color, and this is orange color. So you look, this is like a rainbow, not full rainbow but like a rainbow. You use here many kinds of color, that is orange, light yellow, light green and light blue and purple, and use here the cream color. Okay, so that, and remember this, you never use here any kinds of marker, sign pen or black pen. If you want to border here and border there, you use the 4B pencil. Okay, you use 4B or 3B pencil, but not use marker, sign pen and pen. And everyone must practice this like this method. First draw two lines and join this line by half circle, and then again two lines but not so much distance between two lines, and use here again a like a U. Okay, then it makes a easy topic, and this topic is also your SW. So dear student, you should submit your SW at your school at 8 AM to 4 PM, and you should remember this, your city, SBA and diary marks will depends on this SW. So never ever forget to do SW and submit at school. Thank you dear student. Thank you for today.